like, why do I see a rod tip?
Yeah, like in the opposite direction. Oh, because your girlfriend just
Oh, they just took some drag.
Yeah, we almost missed it. I just wanted to watch some cat videos. Welcome to J&A's Fishing Guide, Fishless Guide Service.
Fishless guide service.
At 5:30 in the morning, I'm First Mate Alyssa, Captain Jeremy about to back in the boat at 5:30 in the morning because someone had a dream of a catfish last night.
We're going to wake up and come fishing later on today anyway, but I woke up at 3:30 in the morning and went ahead and loaded up. And it's literally like 20 degrees outside. So we might take our time getting set up, but we're here at the river. Hopefully we'll get on some fish. The high today is like 34, so, and it's windy. North wind.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Well, let's get this fishless show on the road.
Yeah, we got a lot to do because I got to set up an enclosure, so stay tuned.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh, now it's not. No, it is. Hold on. I mean, don't hold on, but...
Fish on. I was shocked myself.
Well, don't hold on, but... I gotta get my poop in the group here.
Right at me.
Oh, hi! Hi! Oh, he's pretty. Oh, and mad. He's mad. Want a net?
Yeah. That's a channel cat.
What?
That's a decent sized channel cat for me.
That's a biggie channel cat then. That's a channel cat?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Come over here. Short, stubby arms.
Whoa, dude!
We caught a fish.
Wow!
Don't bite me too hard.
Hi, guy.
Yeah, I can take that around.
Ah, kiss him.
Happy.
Happy, so happy.
Finally got one.
Hi.
Little channel cat, bud. Here, I'll release him. Can you see? Ish.
Whoa, he was ticked off from the get-go. Oh, got it. Got it. That looks like a fish.
It's gotta be.
Whoa. You want it?
You can take it if it's hooked.
Is it hooked?
It's gotta be. That's a big bait though.
You want it, babe?
No, go for it.
You put it on my work. Okay.
Fish on. Been biting for like a half hour. Let me know if I need to move a line or anything.
Just finally wanted it, I guess.
I guess.
Just laughing at him. You a little feisty. Don't go under the boat. Just come up here.
Set this down for a second.
Hi, you little freaky.
Camera weird, you see I'll flip it in the water.
That's kind of cool. You caught yours on your new yellow rod.
You got yours on your pink rod.
I know. Pinky in the brain.
Pinky in the brain.
Hi, crazy guy. You're a blue cat, though.
Yep, that's 100% blue cat.
Oh my! What the heck?
Just
What'd you just decide that you were just gonna eat it all
just
first?
light biting.
What the hey? You're like barely either. Wow.
He's all wrapped around.
Wow. That was impressive, guy. Oh no! Not yet. Not yet. Hey.
We have grips behind you, babe.
I thought about it actually. Ooh. Okay, guys.
All right, that's probably about a 15-ish pounder. Put back. It's been a cold day.
Okay, I know you're mad, but you gotta let go there. Yay!
Good
It's
job.
worth it.
Why would you even do that? I would not volunteer for that.
No. I probably hit the cup though, because I'd aim higher. It fell off his head.
Oh shit!
Oh! Oh no! Oh my gosh, where's the camera? Ah!
The fisherman is going the opposite direction.
Oh, no.
We're just in there watching videos.
I know. What happened? I got sidetracked with cat videos. Not catfish.
That was funny.
It just swam up the river. Oh no.
Wrong way, buddy.
Oh my gosh, what a mess. I'm so sorry.
This is perfect. I'm just like, why do I see a rod tip?
Yeah, like in the opposite direction. Oh, because your girlfriend just wanted
we
to.
just took some drag.
Yeah, we almost miss him. Because I just wanted to watch fun cat videos.
Under the boat.
Oh, come back.
You might be bigger than I thought.
Oh my gosh.
Hell yeah!
Oh! Is that your giant fish you were dreaming of? Oh gosh.
Yeah, just
Sorry, I just
You're
didn't
perfect.
want to lose
You're
that
perfect.
one. I don't want to lose the camera. What happened?
I don't know.
That just became full,
It's
but
all
it's
good.
fine. That one's full.
I got it.
Oh my gosh, I can't lift it. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my gosh, you almost just missed that fish because you were watching cat videos. You would kill me.
Oh man, that's
You
a
would
tank.
kill me. Oh my
That's
god.
a good way.
Hey, that's the one we saw, I bet.
Yep. I had the dream, so we came and fished.
Holy moly. Yeah. Jeremy had a dream that he caught a big fish. And he's
So
like,
we
"Man."
left at like 4 in the morning.
And it's, what time is it?
Of course, we didn't get started because the motor is supposed to
It's
start.
6:30 at night, but we did it! Okay. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Yeah!
I'm a little shocked.
What rig was that on? Just a down one?
Yeah, I think it's bottom.
Bottom?
Oh no. Yeah, I think so.
Oh my gosh. That was on bottom. What size hook was that one?
I think it's an 8.
8/0.
Oh, it's cold. But totally worth it.
Oh my goodness! Hi guy, I know you're so
Here,
mad.
let's weigh him really quick in the net. Probably about 40 pounder after you minus the net.
Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yo! That's a big fish.
All right, buddy. Get back to the drink.
Give him kisses! That's a big fish.
On my thumb. He's missing a fin.
I saw that earlier.
He's also got a mark on his head.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All right, buddy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, he wants to go.
Oh, bye.
You don't give me any time.
Maddie.
As long as he goes.
That was awesome.
Let him go, let him grow.
Was that in your dream?
Yep.
Yeah. That's a good thing.
Back at the dock. Get things up. It's getting pretty cold out here. This is still hiding in the hut. Peekaboo.
Hi. Okay, well we didn't try to live up to our name because we caught fish today, but...
Oh, my fishless guide service.
Yes! That was an amazing day though.
Yeah.
Jeremy worked his butt off and I stayed really warm and then closed our and ate snacks.
I
And we
got,
caught fish.
I got woke up at like 3:30 in the morning to a dream catching a big fish, so we came out here to the river. It was a whopping 20 degrees when we left the house at 4:30 in the morning. Got
Now
down
the
here.
full moon's out, you can see it back
Yeah,
there.
moon's coming out, but we got down here, got everything set up, and then the boat wouldn't go. So all my batteries couldn't handle the cold. I think I need to get some new batteries. I hooked it up to the trolling motor batteries, and after a few hours of trying and the motor warming up, we got going. It wasn't until about 10:30 before we got to our first spot to fish. So it was pretty tough, but we got a few of them.
It was worth it, huh?
Yeah, it was. Yep. And
That's
it's
a good
cold day, but we stayed warm in the heated
did.
little enclosure. It's kind of cheating.
I couldn't imagine not having it. It's kind of like a little tent on the water.
Yeah.
With the heater.
But I appreciate you watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Comment down below. We love reading the comments.
Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching us
Yep.
choose adventures.
Stay with you, y'all.
Like,